Starting around the 17th of May 2023, Star Atlas DAO generally is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.57% in most recent 1 hour in an essentially enormous manner. Poly's most certainly has an in every way that really matters. All-out market cap of $23,185,871 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $275,315, which sort of is very critical. This explicitly makes Star Atlas DAO by and large positioning at 569 in the digital money market, which for the most part is very huge, in the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO by and large be exceptionally worth in 2023, which explicitly is very critical? Is Star Atlas DAO a by and large wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Will Poly's cost for the most part outperform its untouched high, or so they fundamentally thought? These are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for post-Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2023 as per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Poly's cost generally is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of 22 cents. The normal kind of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to for the most part be 22 cents, which certainly is very huge. Besides, Poly's can fundamentally arrive at a really most extreme value level of 25 cents. Or so they sort of thought. Poly's value figure May 2023. Concerning May 2023, Star Atlas DAO explicitly is supposed to explicitly arrive at a truly least value worth of 17 cents. So this truly makes Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, positioning at 569 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. The Poly's cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 19 cents with the typical cost around 19 cents in a by and large enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture June 2023. The Star Atlas DAO cost for June 2023 may really arrive at a very least worth of 18 cents, while the truly greatest gauge cost in every practical sense is around 20 cents in an extremely enormous way. The very normal cost for Poly's most certainly anticipated to really reach 19 cents in June 2023 in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas DAO value expectation July 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at an essentially least worth of 19 cents in July 2023, showing how besides Poly's can generally arrive at a truly greatest value level of 25 cents, or so they fundamentally thought. The Poly's cost could basically arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 21 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 19 cents all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO basically is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around an especially least of 19 cents, which truly is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO cost can explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of 22 cents with the in every practical sense normal cost of 20 cents in USD, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO value figure September 2023. The Star Atlas DAO cost for September 2023 may in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally least worth of 20 cents, while the most extreme estimated cost explicitly is around 23 cents in a huge manner. The sort of typical cost for Poly's truly is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense reach 20 cents in September 2023, which fundamentally is very critical. Poly's value gauge October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Star Atlas DAO sort of is supposed to in a real sense arrive at an all things considered least value worth of 21 cents, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Poly's cost could for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of 24 cents with the in every way that really matters normal cost around 21 cents, which sort of is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO certainly is explicitly anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a for the most part normal cost of 22 cents, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of 25 cents and a sort of least of 21 cents, exhibiting that besides Poly's can truly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 25 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO essentially is supposed to truly be at around a really least of 22 cents, or so they generally thought. Star Atlas DAO cost can especially arrive at an especially limit of 25 cents with the kind of typical cost of 22 cents in USD, which sort of is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO sort of passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been for the most part diminished by 1.35% in its sort of current worth. Kind of additional appearance how POLIS value gauge May 2023. Concerning May 2023, Star Atlas DAO truly is supposed to explicitly arrive at any rate value worth of 17 cents. So this makes Star Atlas DAO genuinely positioning at 569 in the digital money market in an essentially huge manner. On the off chance that we sort of look at the sort of current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, exhibiting how assuming that we in a real sense analyze the truly current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in an essentially huge manner. Star Atlas DAO basically is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, showing the way that Star Atlas DAO cost can in every practical sense arrive at a for the most part limit of 22 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 20 cents in USD in an unpretentious way. The Polis truly is down to nearly 0.41% in the truly most recent 7 days, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for most certainly past really couple of days. The coin could have serious areas of strength for pretty, however. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in essentially present moment, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis by and large diminished by 40.104%, disposing of an incredible sort of typical amount of 10 cents from its essentially current worth in a fundamentally significant manner. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a decent sort of purchase and open door for fundamentally speedy venture, which by and large shows that Star Atlas DAO value gauge September 2023. The Star Atlas DAO cost for September 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally least worth of 20 cents while the in every practical sense greatest gauge cost basically is around 23 cents, which is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will be Star Atlas DAO exceptionally worth in 2023, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. The Polis cost generally is determined to generally arrive at a most extreme degree of 25 cents with genuinely least cost of 22 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Star's Atlas DAO explicitly have a future in an essentially significant manner. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO in a real sense has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to basically arrive at new levels, showing how POLIS value estimate May 2023 with respect to May 2023. Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is supposed to really arrive at an especially least value worth of 17 cents. So this most certainly makes Star Atlas DAO kind of positioning at 569 in the digital money market, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. It most certainly is estimate that Polis will increment in esteem. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of 5 cents till 2030 in a significant manner. Is Star Atlas DAO sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they basically thought. Star Atlas DAO's esteem sort of is supposed to generally keep on extending, as deficiency will in general explicitly support cost rise.